Winning $1 million seed funding feels like the dream for any student startup, and that's exactly what happened to a pioneering team from Singapore. But here's where it gets truly exciting. This victory didn't just come from luck. It was hard-earned at the prestigious 2025 Hult Prize Global Finals, known worldwide as the Nobel Prize for Students. This accolade recognizes outstanding student entrepreneurs committed to creating social impact through sustainable business ventures. On September 5th, 2025, Stickum, a Singapore-based EdTech startup, was awarded the top prize of USD $1 million, approximately SGD 1.28 million, to boost their mission of transforming STEAM education. Co-founded in 2021 by three dynamic individuals, Adam Huddam, an alumnus of the Singapore University of Technology and Design, SUTD, Chong In Kai, a graduate of Singapore Polytechnic, and Tu Jing An, a current student at the National University of Singapore, NUS. Stickum focuses on delivering affordable and practical science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, STEAM kits. Alongside these physical kits, they provide an online platform that empowers teachers to independently conduct classes, making quality education more accessible and scalable globally. The global finals took place at the iconic Tate Modern in London, drawing fierce competition from teams worldwide. In fact, this is a historic win, the first time a Singaporean team has claimed the Hult Prize's global crown. This year's contest saw over 200,000 participants from 130 countries and nearly 2,000 universities, generating an astounding 15,000 startup concepts tackling urgent global challenges. A distinguished panel of judges, including venture capitalists, sustainability experts, and entrepreneurs such as Piers Linney, famous from the BBC's Dragon's Den, carefully evaluated these ideas. Stickum prevailed over 7 other finalists with innovative solutions, ranging from converting sugarcane waste into eco-friendly packaging to an AI-powered app designed to provide personalized speech therapy for children facing speech difficulties. The Hult Prize is funded by the Hult family, founders and owners of EF Education First, the world's largest private education organization. Laurie Van Dam, the Hult Prize CEO, pointed out a key insight that often sparks debate. The private sector, frequently criticized as part of the problem, actually holds significant potential to be a vital part of the solution to our world's increasingly complex challenges. Nonprofits alone can't fill all the gaps, especially given limited resources and changing donor priorities. Van Dam expressed strong enthusiasm about Stickum's success, highlighting their clear vision and ambitious global growth plans, noting, out of 15,000 startup ideas, this business really stood out. I'm thrilled to congratulate them and eager to watch their progress. SUTD emphasized the rigorous judging process of the Hult Prize, which not only assesses the strength and dedication of the teams, but also measures the impact and sustainability of their ideas. The evaluation includes alignment with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and the potential for business scalability. The competition itself involved multiple stages, from local national contests like the Singapore Nationals at NUS, through the Digital Global Incubator stage, to the final selection of world finalists. Anna Huddam, Stickum's co-founder, candidly shared their journey. When we first entered the competition, I genuinely didn't think we stood a chance. Winning the global title still feels surreal. But this triumph isn't just ours. It belongs to every student worldwide who deserves the opportunity to learn, create, and innovate no matter their background. We're motivated to leverage this momentum to positively impact millions of young learners around the globe. Professor Phoon Kok Kwang, president of SUTD, proudly acknowledged Stickum's contribution to making STEAM education both more affordable and accessible to tens of thousands of students. He also underscored that this landmark achievement symbolizes a significant milestone for Singapore's growing innovation and startup scene. Now, here's the part most people miss. While it's inspiring to celebrate such success, it also raises an important question about the role private enterprises should play in education. Should education remain primarily public, or is there a growing need for private sector innovation to fill critical gaps? Does relying on startups for global education solutions risk widening inequalities, or is it a necessary step toward inclusive progress? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you agree that the private sector can be a force for good in addressing education challenges, or do you think this approach has its risks? Join the conversation below.